As BYD announces it will roll out its insane megawatt charging infrastructure across Europe, the question one must ask is, of course, where on God's earth is the electricity supposed to come from? To charge just one single car takes the same energy as boiling 500 kettles simultaneously. And while that might work okay for a single car demonstration, what happens if you need to charge a few cars at the same time? To maintain that speed, you just have to keep on adding those megawatts, one for each car, which makes it incredibly challenging to scale this beyond a catchy clickbait headline from the marketing team. But the even greater problem that chargers of this size will face is simply the fact that electricity is becoming more and more expensive and less reliable, especially in Europe, where they are still blindly full steam ahead with net zero and pushing wind, solar and batteries instead of reliable baseload generation. Add to that the enormous demand from AI data centers that will continue to ramp up, and you have to ask, after they've built all the infrastructure for a multi-megawatt charging station, how much is a full charge going to cost? And how on earth are BYD going to break even, let alone make a profit? And this is of course at the same time as BYD is in a massive discount war in China, which is threatening the entire EV market there. And you have to ask how realistic this claim really is, and even whether BYD has a long-term future. In any event, it's a massive overreach. Welcome back to MGUY, British engineer and lawyer, now Sydney-based YouTuber. Please make sure you've clicked that subscribe button down below and enabled all notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you'd like to support this channel, why not buy me a coffee? Click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. All of this 5-minute charging stuff sounds great in abstract, and the media doesn't really understand any of the limitations. But in practice, it will be incredibly expensive. Multi-megawatt grid connections do not come cheap, and multi-megawatt is exactly what will be needed if this isn't going to be a massive letdown for BYD owners. When they turn up to the charger, if they don't get that full megawatt and the 5-minute charge they were promised, they're going to be mightily pissed. But it brings us back to what I call the charging conundrum. If you want to halve the charging time, you have to double the power. But similarly, if you halve the power, you double the charging time. So unless each car gets that full megawatt of power, you won't be charging in 5 minutes. If you have 10 stalls, you're going to need a 10 megawatt connection to the grid. Otherwise, if those 10 stalls are occupied, then you'll be sorely disappointed. BYD have massively overplayed their hand here. They've gone for broke by announcing the 5-minute charge. That figure is now in everyone's head. The Daily Mail has the story. BYD's game-changing 5-minute EV flash chargers are coming to Europe within 12 months. BYD will bring its ultra-rapid electric car chargers to Europe, it has confirmed, meaning EV owners will be able to recharge as fast as filling up with petrol. The Chinese EV giant, which recently dethroned Tesla as the biggest electric car maker in the world, has confirmed it will install a network of flash chargers in Europe within the next 12 months. BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, no it doesn't, it stands for Burn Your Driveway, or if you prefer, Boil Your Dog. Executive Vice President Stella Lee announced the news to journalists in Brussels last week. The ultra-rapid chargers use a 1,000 kilowatt architecture, making them much more powerful than its US rival superchargers, which only charge up to 250 kilowatts and deliver 172 miles in 15 minutes. Lee claims the flash chargers will allow EV drivers to replenish their batteries in just 5 minutes, with the technology described as a game changer that will boost EV confidence and remove range and charge anxiety. Initially, the devices will be installed at BYD dealerships, though other partnerships and locations are currently under consideration. Well, there's the first caveat, they'll only be at their dealerships. How practical is that? What happens if a BYD dealership doesn't happen to be on your route? This is the first clue that this is nothing more than a marketing exercise. And of course, there's no indication of how much it will actually cost to charge at these insane speeds. DC fast charging is already vastly more expensive than household electricity as it is, because of the cost of infrastructure and also the cost of the electricity itself when it's delivered at such high powers. And that's maybe 150 kilowatts, or 15% of the speed of the proposed BYD charging. If Europe had not insisted on net zero and continued to generate cheap, reliable electricity, BYD would have more chance of getting this to work. But with ever greater reliance on wind and solar, delivering multi-megawatt charging at anything like the scale that would be required to make it realistic, and at a cost that people will want to pay, will be virtually impossible. Unfortunately, this is just another example in the electric vehicle world of massive hype that's not backed up by reality. Thanks very much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any tips or stories, go there. If you'd like to watch another video, go there. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, go there. And please subscribe to the channel.